The first axis is vertical axis. Like all axes of rotation, it runs through the center of gravity of the helicopter from top to bottom. For vertical axis, yaw changes the direction of helicopter nose pointing left or right by using anti-torque pedal. This is a view of helicopter from above. If we push left anti-torque pedal, the helicopter will yaw to the left on the vertical axis. If we push the right anti-torque pedal, the helicopter will yaw to the right on the vertical axis. Let's have a look at longitudinal axis. The longitudinal axis allows the helicopter to roll to the left or right on that axis, and rolling motion is controlled by cyclic. So this is the cyclic. The cyclic control is usually located between the pilot's leg and is commonly called the cyclic stick or just cyclic. On most helicopters, the cyclic is similar in appearance to a joystick in conventional aircraft. Here we have the helicopter view from behind. If we pull the left cyclic, it will roll the helicopter left, and if we pull the right cyclic, it will roll the helicopter right. Let's take a look how the helicopter rolls. Lateral axis. Let's start with the definition. Lateral axis is a horizontal axis or line running from left to right or right to left, passing through the center of gravity of a helicopter. Moving forward, lateral axis along the helicopter allows the helicopter to pitch up and pitch down. This movement is controlled by using the cyclic control stick. For the helicopter to pitch up, the cyclic control stick is pulled towards the pilot. On the other hand, for the helicopter to pitch down, the cyclic control stick is pushed away or forward from the pilot. Let's have a look of the helicopter pitching up and pitching down.